Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh began making the rounds on Capitol Hill today, looking for support in what could be a bruising battle for Senate confirmation. Here's Jan Crawford.
At the Capitol with the vice president, Judge Brett Kavanaugh started meeting with senators who will determine his fate.
We look forward to the confirmation process, and it'll unfold in the next few weeks.
Nominated to replace the court's key swing justice, Kavanaugh is considered an intellectual powerhouse with a clear conservative judicial philosophy and a lengthy record.
Voters are watching you!
And with the court in the balance, liberal judicial activist groups were urging Democrats to oppose the nomination even before the president announced his choice.
The best of the best.
On the right, groups like the Judicial Crisis Network are spending millions in advertising, targeting red state Democrats up for re-election in November, as senior Senate Democrats called for battle.
We must defeat Judge Kavanaugh's nomination to the bench to save women's reproductive freedom, to save health care protections for millions, to save the rights and freedoms that all Americans enjoy.
On the flashpoint issue of abortion, as a judge, Kavanaugh ruled against an immigrant teenager seeking the procedure while in federal detention. But angering social conservatives, he refused to go further and say she had no constitutional right to an abortion. Moderate Republican Susan Collins, who supports abortion rights, noted his restraint.
Well, I'm sure that that's a case that we will discuss.
Democrats also focused on a law review article Kavanaugh wrote in 2009 that said a president should not face criminal investigation while in office and instead be impeached for wrongdoing.
He's even argued that sitting presidents shouldn't face criminal investigation. No investigation of a president.
But one key red state Democrat, West Virginia's Joe Manchin, said he had no issue with the article and was keeping an open mind.
I think we need to look at it and do a deep dive, do our job. And right now, senators are making decisions and making how they're going to be on these issues, and I think it's wrong.
Now, Kavanaugh is not a stealth nominee, and his lengthy record does mean his confirmation could take a little while longer. That's something the Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell flagged for the White House before the president decided on his pick. Democrats say they want to see the documents, all the documents, and Jeff, there are a lot of them.
Jan, it's always great to have you at the Supreme Court. Thank you.